straight get into it. By the way, I did not post on Friday. So my SSD, my computer is messed up. I'm still trying to diagnose and fix the problem. It's at 100%, but I don't know how, and I don't know why. But regardless of that, let's look at the earnings. We do have uh some semi earnings, decent names: Walmart, Zoom, Home Depot, Target, TJ Maxx, etc. Um, I don't see any other names for real. TOL, Toll. Hold on, I'm pretty sure I have them on my. I do have Toll Brothers. I do. I'm pretty sure I mentioned them before. If I'm not mistaken. Well, they have earnings this week. Higher highs, higher lows on this chart. Yeah, straight like that. But anyway, let's look at the data. We do have big news this week, FOMC, and then we do have uh, PMI, PMI, and then Powell will speak on Friday. Also, I seen Trump flying, I think the B-2 bomber over um, Putin head, something like that, something crazy. I was like, wow. But anyway, let's talk about what I see. Before I even talk about what I see, long term speaking, I was texting Cunningham this week, or we're not. Long term speaking, really, I anticipating the bounce of what, anticipating the retest of this level down here, 613, which what I have been thinking. But I think he said something about he will be like day trading and whatnot. But anyway, let me just go ahead and get into what I believe, what I think. So we did kind of bounce off this Wednesday, Thursday, cool Thursday. Thursday pre-market we bounced off this previous high off of, this was a data candle. What data came out at 8:30? I think it was CPI. It was something like that. But I know data came out, boom, bounced off. It didn't price. It didn't necessarily consolidate, but it definitely went higher. It did go higher. It did go higher. But what I think, I really want a nice a nicer pullback, if that makes sense. I really want SPY to go 638. It could bounce off 641 with like a real candle and not a pre-market candle, but that's what I'm thinking. Nothing too crazy. Off the hourly, the chart. Pre-market it went higher. Boom. Okay, but it's not. It is going higher, but you're not really seeing those explosive moves. Also, um, also the volume on the daily chart. Like it's a little shaky. Well, it, it's not really doing nothing. Let me say that's not really doing nothing from what I see. It's not really doing nothing crazy, but we are getting good moves on SPY. We are, but it's like topping out. I know I'm foreshadowing, but in the video, just like in the video, like it's topping out. But anyway, let me just go to Wednesday. Boom, came down, bounced off this level, perfect, and then rose up, went up, whatever. Yeah, that's all. That's it. That's all as of right now. Q's. I did say I said 575 bounce. It don't matter which level. I just want to see it bounce. I do this consolidation. Boom, came down, almost bounced off this level, and it went up. What was this? This pre-market. It rejected off the open. It rejected off the open and went up. That's crazy. I kind of remember seeing this too. When was this? It was like last week. I'm tweaking. Definitely. What data was this? It was something. I don't know. But I do remember this seeing this squeeze. Definitely got a little squeezy. But with that being said, again, 575 bounce. Um, major level, big level, major level. Do want to see Q's bounce off 551, 540, 540. I will clean this up. Same with my other stocks. But yes, y'all know the level. We'll be watching out for that and getting filled. Like that. The video. Like I said, the video has been ranging in this level, this zone for since really. No. Okay, boom. Let me get boom. Since the 7th. The 7th was last week, Monday. No, I'm tweaking. No, it wasn't. It was 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, it's been ranging in this level. Been ranging in these levels. It hasn't went higher, but eventually, it will break out. It will break out eventually. But yes, it has just been ranging in this level. What I see, I said 176. If it come down to 176, I'll say that's the day that you get filled. Honestly, look at this on the 5th. Interesting, and it just consolidated. But we see the resistance, we see the support. That's all I got from the video. I don't have it like it's nothing screaming to me on this chart at all. Literally, we were low to 21 on the hourly. All I see for real. Let's check the daily volume. So if you look at it, it is decreasing. I mean, look at the line, if you will. To me, it look like it's decreasing. But we should see on the video. Will it bounce? Will it bounce? No. If the video bounce, that'd oh my. But they report earnings next week. So we'll see where the video at come end of this week. Straight like that, just end of this week. Ain't gonna lie, ain't gonna say I'm tired, but I don't know why I just typed on. Like, don't even mind me. Anyway, Amazon broke out what, Thursday? What was this? Okay, boom, Thursday. Amazon broke out Thursday. It was 225. It went up $5. Ooh, nice little play. Amazon went up $5. I want to see Amazon bounce off 227, 228, around that level. Pretty sure it's capable of doing that. It's not that big of a drawback. Yeah, straight like that. This was even though they hit on the earnings, this was a nice. Around here was a nice buy, 210. I mean, well, 211. It would have $20. They up like $20 right now. Yeah. But 19, close enough. But yeah, definitely looking at another. Well, just an intraday bounce. This was an equity move. This was a real. You would have got in shares. 1%. But definitely this was a whole equity move. Just looking at it now, I just reclaim going back up, boom, straight like that. And the last but not least, AMD. AMD. I remember seeing this. This was Wednesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Boom. I saw this. I think I even posted on Tuesday, so y'all saw it as well. But Tuesday, I was supposed to get filled. I was supposed to get filled down here. I just remember seeing this and didn't get filled. I got filled on the video, I believe. That even the video went up. I'm gonna go to it because I just remember seeing it. I just remember being in it. I got filled. I want to say like right around here, and I said my stop was around here somewhere. I should have held, but that's on me. Look what the video did. Let's say I got filled like right around here. Boom, went up about like $2. So yeah. But anyway. Let me go ahead and get this over with. Anyway, boom, the video, AMD, 173, 173 bounce on AMD. Also, if you look at it, even off the 4 hour, to me this look like Head and Shoulders. Boom, boom. Even slick off the daily. Even off the daily, could be Head and Shoulders. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. But if it doesn't come down 713, and it holds this 177, I wouldn't be surprised. But they did print new all-time highs. But I want to do it again. Do it with a candle. Show me you like that. But anyway, end of this video. I'll be recording tomorrow. Straight like that.